Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the manufacture in relation to narcotic drug or psychotropic substances include first is the all processes other than the productions by which such drugs or substances may be obtained. Second is the refining or transformation of such drug or substance, and third is making of preparations containing such substance. Manufactured drug, all the coca derivatives, medicinal cannabis, opium derivatives, and poppy straw concentrate. Second, any other narcotic substance or preparations which the central government may have in regard to available information as to its nature or to decisions, if any under any international conventions by notification in the official gazette, declare to be a manufactured drug. Next is the authority and officers. Authority. Subject to the provisions of the Act, central government shall take all necessary steps which is necessary for implementation of the Act, preventing the combating abuse of narcotic drug and psychotropic substance and the illicit traffic. Coordination action of central government and the state government officer and other authorities under this Act. Second is fulfill obligations under the international conventions. Other is the assistance to the concerned authority in foreign countries and concerned the International Organization for Prevention and Suppression of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance. Next is identification, treatment, education, aftercare, rehabilitation, and the social interactions of addicts. Next is the officer of the central government. Under the provision of this act, central government may appoint a narcotic commissioner and such other officers as it thinks fit. Officers of the central government, the narcotic commissioner shall either by himself or through other officers subordinate to him exercise all power and perform all the functions relating to the supervisions of the cultivation of the opium poppy and production of opium, and the power of function as may be entrusted to him by the central government. Officers of the state government. State government may also appoint officers similar to that appointed by the central government for the administration of this act. Next is their committee. There are the 20 members, not exceeding 20. Their member are the 20, and the committee has power to regulate its own procedures constituted by the central government, advise them to matter related to administration of this act, and this committee can be further constitutes one or more subcommittee to execute its functions. In today's class, I discuss about the various topics and the National Fund for Control the Drug Abuse, that is the central government by notification in official gazettes and the granted approved by parliament, and sale proceeding of property confiscated or the fortified during the raids by officers, financial supports from individual or institutes, which is usually income tax free. Any income from investment of the amount credited the fund is to be used for preventing or combating illicit traffic of NDPS, controlling the drug abuse, educating masses, rehabilitation of drug addicts, etc. The central government constitutes the governing body for 6 members, out of which is appointed as chairman, who is not below the rank of additional secretary in central government, and activity of governing body, utilization of national fund submitted to central government before the parliament. Today class I discuss about the following terms like officer of the state government, central government, authorities and their officers. Thank you for watching.